Hey everyone, so I'm going to take my Jenn-Air dishwasher and take it apart and clean it out because I get some dust and some grit and grime on some of the dishes, some of the cups. So let's go ahead and open it up and take it apart. I've already taken out the bottom shelf. So what we're going to do to take out this is we see these pieces on the side here. You might take a flathead rather, stick that in there, pop it off. You can see how that works. Just puts it back in here. So we'll do that to both sides and take the drawer out. So this is what we have now, and what we'll do is we'll twist this cap off. Take this off. This should just come right out. This will also just come right out. Now we have this that spins. We could just take that out as well. You can start to see getting down to some of that grime that I was talking about. And there's some water down there, but we need to take this piece out. And we have some screws around there that we need to take out. So let me do that. Alright, the screws are out, so let's see if we can lift this up here. Alright, so now we can see there's some bits of gunk and some things that could be cleaned out here. This is where the blade is, so I will take off that screw right here, and we'll see if there's more junk in there. We also have this top part that disperses the water across the top here, and this, if we just grab this tab and twist it this way, we can pull this off as well and clean that out. If you care to look, I've been reaching my hand in here and picking some things out. I picked out 3 screws actually, and a bunch of other gunk, as you can see there, but there were some things that were blocking that blade that chomps up the food and such. But that's been removed. I've been cleaning out the parts up here, and I'm going to put it back together. So let's put it back together. There goes that. I'll screw those back in.